Start.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushbu and I've created this channel to showcase my love for fashion, for DIYs and a lot more. So I've been a fashion blogger for around 3 years now, and I thought that something is missing because I had reached a good height, but then I got pregnant and then I had to take care of the baby and a lot of time went by. So meanwhile I was also thinking to take my blog further, and then I thought, why not do YouTube? Because A, I love talking, B, I love camera, and three, I do any which ways a lot of posts about fashion. So I thought I would create a channel wherein I can do all of the things that I love to do and share with you all, which is a wider audience. For today's video, I'm gonna start a DIY, and I would be showing you how to make babies 3D footprints for keepsakes as a memory thing. So I've seen this a lot on Pinterest and a bit of it on Facebook, and I really wanted to do it. So I searched YouTube for a while, but I didn't get good results. I saw one or two videos that I was okay with. So now I have filmed this video because I wanted to make this keepsakes for my daughter. I've made them and I'm going to show you the whole process of making it. I hope it is helpful for all you mothers. So I looked for a method using alginate and a plaster of Paris so that you can create a 3D image or impressions of their hands and feet or whatever you would want to take an impression of. It really worked out well. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and then I would give you some tips at the end. So keep on watching and don't forget to share this video, like and comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. You will need alginate, water, some plastic container, some spatulas, probably wooden or plastic, and some POP, that is plaster of Paris, and all that is required. So alginate is a kind of material that is impressionable that the dentist use. If you've gone to a dentist, you would know they would give you a pink strip to put in between your teeth and like press it hard so that they can have the shape of it. So it holds the impression really quickly. It's very soft and gushy to touch, and yeah, it's not easily available, though you can look for a chemist shop, but not all pharmacies would have it. So if you are looking for it, go search for it into some days advance before the day you would want to make that. And also if you are very keen, just try to get it from Amazon. Even that's very good. Do is you take water first. Remember, water first. Dip your hand into it so that you know how much you will need, and then accordingly, as much the water is, put half of the alginate into it. Mix it really well. It would be of a pinkish color, and mix it well to create a thick paste. When that is done, as soon as you are done and satisfied with the paste and its consistency, now put your hand or feet inside it. Make sure you are not touching the sides or the bottom of the container, and then keep your hands dipped into that consistency alginate for about 3 to 5 minutes, and you would notice that it has now turned very thick. So now you can wiggle your hands up and then let it set for a minute. Once you have taken your hands out, prepare the POP paste. So you put plaster of Paris into the water, create a watery consistency. Once you are also done with that, make sure there are no lumps, and then add that into the mold. If you want to have a plate or something to hold the cast, then you also pour a bit more, as I am doing, so that you would also have a round plate. Now let it sit for a day, or I would also suggest 1 or 2 days if you have time, because of the humidity.
many a days it does not sit well and it's still wet and it can break off. So the more you let it sit, it would be better for you. Now once it is set, you would put some pressure through the bottom of the container and wiggle it out. Once it is out, you take all the alginate out. It is very easily breakable, so it would come out easy, and then you can scrape off all the pieces using a sharp tool. Be very careful, use tiny amounts so that you do not break off the cast itself. And then once that is done, let it again sit for some while, and then you can use some acrylic paint on it, and you can paint it of the color of your choice. Yeah, that's it.
Number one is that you need to use water first and then put alginate in it accordingly. So it says that whatever amount of alginate you need, the water has to be double amount. But then again, read the instructions given on the alginate wrapper so that you know for sure. Second tip is that while you mix, make sure you do it very fast because it takes around 1 or 2 minutes only, and then your baby can put the hand or the feet, and as soon as that, like in like 2 to 3 minutes, it sets. So make sure you are quick enough. And thirdly, do not touch POP by your hand or anything. Be safe, and quickly pour POP, plaster of Paris, into the molds that you have made, and then let it set for around 2 days, I would say. Given the city you live in, the moisture that is there in the air, they say it would take around 1 day, like 12 hours, but in my case it took around 2 days to dry, and still it was wet, and sometimes it kind of break off also. So keep that in mind as well. Four is that be very quick in all the things, because A, the baby would not sit for that long, B, things would start to dry up, and C, if you are doing it alone, then you need to be really quick. So keep all of these things in mind and then proceed. Number five is that do a little bit of trial first. I did this mistake that I wasted a whole lot of alginate, and I thought it would work the first time around, but it did not. And I had put alginate first and then water, and then it not mix right and was not able to hold. So always try a small amount first and then go ahead so that you can make use of it. And lastly, yes, please do try out, because it would cost you like hardly 500 rupees, and you can have this for a lifetime. It turns out beautiful. And yes, if you have any other questions, let me know. Subscribe to my channel, and have beautiful memories. See you next time.